Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos using CapCut step by step. If you are new to editing, don't worry, CapCut is super beginner friendly and you will be able to create professional looking videos in no time. First one is importing media. First open CapCut and tap on new project. Select the video clips or photos you want to edit and hit add. Now all your clips are in the live timeline at the bottom of the screen. Let's clean up the video. Tap on a clip, then use clip to cut into pieces or delete to remove unwanted parts. Drag the ends of the clip to trim it shorter or longer. This helps you keep only the best parts of your footage. Then adding transitions. If you want smooth changes between clips, tap the little white box between two clips and choose a transition. You will see options like fade, sweep, zoom, and more. Adjust the duration to cut or how fast or slow the transition looks. Then text and titles. Now let's add text. Tap on text, add text, type your words, then style it with fonts, colors, and animations. You can also use text templates for ready-made stylish designs, as you can see here. Then music and sound effects. Go to audio, sounds. You can pick from CapCut's free music library or import your own sounds here. Want sound effects? Use the effects tab. Things like whoosh, pop, applause to make your video more fun and engaging. Then effects and filters. CapCut has tons of effects. Tap effects to apply motion effects like glitch, blur, or sparkle. For more, go to filters and choose a cinematic, retro, or vibrant style. This instantly changes the look of your video. Remember, you cannot use things here, whole features here as it needs premium. You have only few options to use. Then stickers and overlays. Add some fun with stickers or use overlay to put another video or image on top of your main video. Great for reaction videos, tutorials, or memes. Like I'm adding new video here. Speed control and slow motion. Want to add drama? Tap on clip speed. Choose normal to slow down or speed up the video or use curve speed for smooth ramp effects like in cinematic edits. Then exporting your video. It is the best and final part. When you are done, tap export at the top right. Select the resolution as you want, as I'm selecting here 1080p and frame rate. Hit export and your video is saved to your phone, ready to upload anywhere. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can cut, add music, transition, text, and effects, and your video will look polished and professional. Now go ahead, try it yourself in CapCut and start creating amazing edits today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.